Video 7. Modify components. We have obtained a 3D model of the building in several ways. Import or self 3D model in the previous lesson. The lesson of today will add some manipulation to adjust the model as suitable as possible. In case of architecture updates or incompleted data importing, we start with openings, opening and recess. The way how to create openings only applies to walls and slabs. Here, we will select the drawings related to the first floor only. With wall and slab components, the appearance of openings often occurs. We have the following types of openings: fully opening, opening designer tools, incompleted opening, niche, recess, split opening. Same with the slab, recess, opening and slab. With the tool to create wall openings, I have introduced in the videos of architecture, and you can review the links below. Another tool is incompleted opening for a wall, niche, recess, split, opening. Select the tool and click the Properties button to set it up. There is a preview display. You can observe these openings. We can choose the appropriate opening shapes, dimensions, and heights. Libraries for openings should be ignored here for reinforcement work. When you're finished, settings of dimensions, choose OK, then select the wall. Enter the location points and confirm the opening creation on the wall. So, as you can see, we made an opening in the wall like this. You also often encounter many such cases. For slabs, there are similar tools. Click on the Recess Opening in Slab tool to create an opening in the slab. You choose the slab, click the Properties button to set up. You also choose the opening or the recess and define the sizes similar to dimensions of the wall or column we built before. After setup, click here to create an opening, a rectangular opening for example. As you can see, we have created a slab opening. You can also adjust the opening or even delete and restore the slab to its original state. And the opening in the wall is the same. Next, we will adjust the levels. Reference surface, Change Archit properties. And adjust architectural attributes. Beside the problem of openings, height changes are also common. Here I will introduce a very powerful tool in adjusting the heights of many components simultaneously. Here we only need to display the column components for following easier. First, you will create 3D surfaces in a separate drawing file from which to create reference surfaces. I will link to the column drawing file for easy practice. As you can see, our column is in a position like this. I will create a higher plane and cover the columns here. There, you open the Planes palette to create a reference surface. Here, I have created a number of reference surfaces. You unlock and select the 3D surface to create a desired reference surface. We have a new reference surface now. Rename it. For example, DIN V. And click Apply and lock the palette. After creating the reference surface, you return to the desired file, proceeding to adjust the height for the component. You choose the symbol Change Archit, Properties, choose Height. And height adjustments window is relatively similar to the height window of a walls, columns, or openings. At this point, you need to select the checkbox to change. For example, you need to change the top level. You choose here to enter. Which level you want to adjust. Then you need to choose the desired reference surface. After setup, confirm by OK. Finally, you only need to select all the objects that you need to change and adjust once. So, the level of column components has changed quickly and uniformly, according to the reference surface we set above. Then, by creating and assigning a reference surface with this modifying tool, we can change the height of many objects at the same time very simply. Besides, we can also change other display properties of the components. You select the Properties Changing tool and select this item, Style area. And choose on Concrete Materials. Select all desired objects and confirm with Apply. At this time, all of our objects were changed into concrete objects. Because the surface display for concrete has been adapted to the previous lesson. This is drawing type. And with the tool to change the height of the object like this, we will easily manage and adjust the properties we want. For example, If you select the type of drawing here, our objects will be changed to display according to the existing settings. And so, I introduced through the problems of adjusting 3D models. Create openings, adjust the height or change the display properties of architectural components. At this point, we'll be able to start on the specific setting for the drawing.